Hello guys, this is bonus lecture and here I will provide you some discount coupons for other courses. I have already created some tutorials. One is on Dialogflow. Dialogflow provides similar functionality to LUIS but it was developed by Google, in which you can learn about how to use it, deploy it on Google Cloud and publish it in various channels. Next is on Entity Framework Core 2.0. in which you can learn how to use Entity Framework Core 2.0 in ASP.NET Core with SQL Server. Next is on ASP.NET Web API 2, in which you can learn how to create a web APIs in ASP.NET. Next is on Apache Cordova, in which you can learn how to use Apache Cordova for creating hybrid mobile applications that run on Android, Windows, and iOS. Next is on JSON, in which you can learn about a JSON which includes JSON data type and JSON schema. Next is on Razor View Engine, in which you can learn how to create web pages using Razor Engine instead of ASP.NET Web Forms. This course is freely available on YouTube. Next is Quiz on .NET, which includes 300 plus questions for various technologies within C# and .NET Framework. Just because you have already subscribed my course, you can buy each of our courses for just $10. Links and coupons for those courses are available in the resource. You can also follow our channel on YouTube, which includes some videos about some of the courses and also contains one of my entire course which was absolutely free. And follow us on Facebook and get discount on my new courses too. You can also read my blog which covers some technical posts. Thank you.